here in Maur. Quail Springs Mall. Schindler HT. Ow! Got shocked. This is the elevator that you guys probably remember what the scammer called it. Oh, and we're low on oil. That's interesting. Would not expect this nice elevator to be low on oil. I mean, it is a relatively nice elevator. Shocked me again. Or maybe it was just a hard stop a minute ago because it didn't do it this time. And we'll go back up one more time after this. Probably the nicest HT330 I've been on. And our final ride up. Oh, the lantern doesn't work. Alright, got an indicator appearing on the ground floor. Got shocked again. Yeah, it doesn't work. Time works though.